This purified water bottle is a great substitute for the construction buckets that many people use to grow food. They are BPA free, food grade. They are almost as big as the construction buckets, as the construction buckets are 5 gallons and the bottles are 4 gallons. It's very easy to cut off the top and burn or drill holes at the bottom. They are very tall, so they are perfect for carrots and potatoes. And very important, they are free, as many people recycle them or throw them away. According to a quick search online, food-grade construction buckets are $30 a piece, and not food-grade construction buckets are $5 at a popular store. I'm going to grow carrots in this one so I can easily move it indoors in case of a potential local environmental disaster like the one in Ohio.